Welcome to Fact vs. Fiction, a part of the Learning Curve, an Intel initiative supported by the Times of India, where we bust AI in education myths with real data. Today's question: does tech help kids learn or does it just distract them?
Intel is not just powering tech. In India, they're reimagining how students learn using AI. Whether it's a child in a metro or a rural school, their goal is the same: build future-ready confidence through smart, supportive tech.
Today, we are busting three big myths. 1. Tech lowers academic performance. 2. It's just a distraction. And 3. It makes kids lazy. Myth number 1. Technology reduces academic performance.
Research shows when students regularly use AI in their learning, their performance in subjects like math and science improves noticeably. These tools also strengthen critical thinking and problem-solving skills by enabling a deeper, more personalized understanding of core concepts at each student's own pace.
The key insight: technology doesn't hurt grades, misused technology does.
Now that we've seen how the right tech tools can actually boost performance, let's tackle another big myth: the idea that tech is just a shiny distraction. The survey showed that for more than half the parents, the biggest concerns were lack of focus and discipline.
This one really surprised us because the National Education Policy of 2020 and NCERT's AI integration frameworks confirm that AI-powered platforms help meet students' unique needs, and 61% of Indian educators are already using them to reduce stress and boost engagement. Even the Intel and Times of India survey shows most parents don't see tech as entertainment, but as a tool for learning new skills. And that's our key takeaway. Tech doesn't distract. It first reduces academic pressure, then opens up mental space for creative exploration.
Now that we've talked about distraction, let's tackle another common concern: AI makes students lazy and passive.
Several research studies show that students don't become lazy because of AI access. They actually become more strategic in their learning approach, becoming more motivated, more confident, and better at making decisions.
The survey data supports this. When asked about AI being a part of their kids' education, 17% of the respondents perceived AI as useful if it supported learning goals.
Here's our takeaway.
When AI tools are thoughtfully used, academic performance improves.
The question isn't whether to use technology in education, but how to use it wisely. Log on to thelearningcurve.ai to watch more content from experts that will make you a smarter, more confident parent.
The future belongs to those who adapt smartly.